Blood clot, just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Locking on tune stay. Hey, what is under me nose? What we a got do with bad mind? Get them out. What we do with some tight tool gas? Skin around. Knock us the business with us now. Knock around. Them ain't nobody gal a short go no down. We do it for bank account. Them a do it for the cloud. She said the duffel bag. She want do it fishy mouth. Stop watch and chatty gal boy. Real fishy mouth. Who want to be rich? Ever pre-rich yo. You want to take my crown? You have a way with your soul. Pick up the eagle and made it pitch it so. Ten them did want the favor locking on tune stay.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, people. You hears truly the most, Nando in our building. And today, it's a crazy one, because today we saw that Beenie Man had preview a diss track for Vybz Kartel. And remember that Vybz Kartel had preview his song earlier, and it's seemingly like he's dissing Beenie Man in that song, in that preview. So let's jump right into the video, into this episode, and hear what Beenie Man have to say in this year preview this song, because right now it looks like there's going to be a showdown in dancehall. In some cases I predicted and I knew it was going to happen, because in a earlier video I had a storytelling fictional episode where I previewed and said that there's going to be a clash, right? There was going to be a clash at Sumfest, but it was just me merely predicting what it's going to be like. But trust me, people, this one is crazy. And you always know that, right? If you have a king in a kingdom, once the king is not being dethroned, or the king hasn't given up his kingship, whoever wants to be crowned next, or wants that kingship next, you know what they have to do, right? They have to dethrone that king that is previously there or is still reigning. So apparently Beenie Man doesn't want to give up this kingship, as stated in this previous preview that he just releases. And I'm going to play that preview for you guys so you guys can hear it, because trust me, people, it is going to be a epic showdown between Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel, because oh my god, I can't believe it come to this two grandpa about for clash lyric for lyric. And trust me, people, don't take nothing from Beenie Man. No, we all know that Vybz Kartel is very much of a lyrical monster, a lyrical beast. But do not, let me tell you, do not underrate Beenie Man. Do not mistakenly think that he's not a match to go up against. And let me go right into the preview so you guys can listen what Beenie Man has to say. And I'm going to play the Vybz Kartel preview also so you can. And trust me, people, the preview of both songs, I don't know if y'all know, but I know this. The preview of both songs, bro, they've been voiced on the same rhythm. Is this a conspiracy theory or something, or it is a planned clash? I don't know. Is it a planned clash, or they both got the privilege to both voice on the same rhythm but taking shots at each other? So let's go into the song, the preview of Beenie Man diss to Vybz Kartel, because Beenie Man says posted on his Instagram channel, One King load in.
Blood clot, just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Bumblecleat, people no hear that. Already blood clot, the Humpty Dumpty. Yo, it is raw, bro. Beenie Man is taking real direct shots. He's calling Vybz Kartel a Humpty Dumpty. He is calling Vybz Kartel a Humpty Dumpty. Beenie Man, yeah, how much dog? Beenie Man, you're a big man, you know that you're grown. You're a grandfather, bro. Well, both artists are a grandfather, but nobody know give up no crown. The both artists say them a king of dancehall. And you know, you can't have two kings in a ring. You can't have two bulls in a pen. So it's either they're gonna fight it out, or one have to just walk out gracefully or give it up gracefully. But apparently none doesn't want to give it up. And this one, this 2025, oh my God, Sting is there in December and Sumfest is there in the summer. So let's see if there's going to be a showdown between both artists. Let's see if this beef is going to tag along and go the long road, the long journey. Because remember, last year, Jada Kingdom and Steph London had started it off rapidly and kick it off big and bad. So let's see if both artists is going to kick it off bad. Because trust me, if Beenie Man drop the full song, Vybz Kartel would only have to answer it. He would only have to answer it. Trust me, people. I know and you know. The king, the previous king, Beenie Man, who was the previous king, if he's not going to give it up gracefully, you know that there has to be a showdown, right? You know that him and Vybz Kartel have to go toe to toe with it, lyric for lyric, right? So it's apparent that Beenie Man literally now give it up. Well, everybody crown Vybz Kartel the king, but Beenie Man apparently he's saying that he more so is the king because he has the accolades to show and he has more international or whatever, Grammy or whatever. So he's saying that he is the king. So come on, bro. Bro, pull it up. Pull it up.
Vybz Kartel Beenie, just started.
Every girl already know if drop every panty. Slide past them Porsche,
Man, same fly past Vybz Kartel Porsche in a Maserati. But Beenie Man, you gotta understand that a Maserati can't be compared to a Porsche. Don't trick yourself, bro. A Porsche cannot. A Maserati cannot do a Porsche, bro. You gotta understand. But I'm getting where he's coming from. He's taking shots, bro. He's taking shots. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beenie Man's taking shots.
Every girl already know if drop every panty. Slide past them Porsche, I'm working full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep it trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Dumpty.
Bro, Beenie Man I take crazy shots at Vybz Kartel in this preview song, people. Trust me, you gotta understand where I'm coming from. This is crazy. This is crazy. You can't make this shit up. Let me play the Vybz Kartel for you guys to hear. Let me play the Vybz Kartel for you guys to hear. Cause trust me, people, you all know that Vybz Kartel is not one to play with, right? And he loves the madness. You know what dancehall is for already, man. Dancehall is a competitive sport. Dancehall is a competitive sport. If you can't fight that battle in it, if you can't compete, it is not for you. And we know that over the years, Vybz Kartel had his clash with Mavado, Beenie Man had his clash with Bounty Killer. But to see both artists, trust me, both artists going at it, it's going to be epic. It would have been epic. Beenie Man is 51, right? And Vybz Kartel is 49. So they're both in the same age bracket. None are far older than none. So it is safe to say if both artists go up and do it together, dancehall need this. It would be nice if dancehall get this. Trust me.
What the sun down the nose? What we are gonna do with bad mind? What we do with some title gas, you know? Because the business, we don't snap. Them like nobody else got a short going on. We need for bank account, them might need for the cloud. She said the dust of so I read fishing mouth. Stop watch and chat to girl boy, real fishing mouth. Who wants to be rich, ever pre-rich, you want to take.
Bro, I'm loving this, bro. I am loving it. This is what dancehall was made for. Dancehall is very much a competitive sport, bro. If you cannot stand the heat, get out of the kitchen, fam. Get out of the kitchen. If dancehall get this, bro, it is going to be crazy. This is going to be another reincarnation of Mavado and Vybz Kartel clash, a Beenie Man and Bounty Killer clash. This would be a mad reincarnation, bro. Trust me, people. I know y'all love it just as much as I love it. As Terror Danwood says, we love war. Bro, this is crazy. If we get this is... Yo, dancehall is made for drama and all kind of animosity, bro. When it comes to dancehall lyrical clash, nothing is wrong with having a lyrical clash. But in some sense, knowing that both artists are grandpas in the game, father plus grandpa at the same time. It would be crazy for them to go up at it, but at the same time, they're much experienced than other artists. So for them to go up doing it would be more like a showdown, bro. It would be more so epic. It would be so, yo, I don't know the words to say for this if this clash goes down, bro. If this clash goes down, it's apparent that it's going to go down, because trust me, both artists, they're not one to play with, and at the same time they love the drama, and at the same time they would want to go up in a clash like this. And for some reason I might think this clash is planned, and on the other end I might say, oh, it might not be planned, because remember Vybz Kartel was behind bar and he was taking shots at Beenie Man in a few songs, and Beenie Man was doing the same also, but they had their differences. And you remember that Beenie Man had posted on his Instagram that, oh, Vybz Kartel, you don't remember that you were the one who said on a stage show that Beenie Man, you're the king of dancehall from me come out to your mother belly. So, bro, this is crazy. So Beenie Man is showing that Vybz Kartel, yo, you say me a king. So all you have to turn around now say you are the king of dancehall. So both artists, nobody no want to give it up. Nobody no want to give up the crown. And let me play back this, bro. The Vybz Kartel and the Beenie Man preview, bro, they're on the same rhythm. Don't you get it? They're on the same rhythm. So apparently, bro, they're going to go at it. They're gonna go at it.
Oh, you have a way with she so pick up the eagle and made it pitch it so tell them they want to feel like and don't stay.
Bro, Vybz Kartel lyrical potency, bro. Vybz Kartel lyrical ability, bro. Don't make it fly over your head, bro. Because if him and Beenie Man go up against one another, bro, I don't know what dancehall is going to be like next, bro. Dancehall will have a shutdown. It will have a shutdown, like a state of emergency, bro. If dancehall ever have that, bro. Damn, bro. Oh my God. Dancehall was made for stuff like this. Over the years, we've seen clashes after clashes, and it goes down into history. So it would be so nice to have a previous king and another person who is saying he's a king who was crowned by the people, Vybz Kartel. To have a previous king, right? A past king and a previous king. You know what that can be like, bro? That can be the greatest thing of all time. The previous and the past king. Remember, no kings and kings never had to fight with it against each other. And if you check the statistics, whenever you want to dethrone a king, you have to go up against him, right? And if the king is still reigning or still in the sport, the competitive sport like dancehall, and if you want to dethrone that king that's still competing, you have to go up against him. Some would say, yeah, Beenie Man doesn't have a hit song over like decades now or whatever, but he's still doing it. And last year we've seen him, he done a song with Skeng. He did a song with Skeng, so you can't say nah compete, not saying compete, but you can't say nah the dancehall music scene. And over the years you've known that dancehall artists not quit dancehall, them not quit music. Them just drop a song whenever. Whenever you say somebody fall off, you may say them fall off because them not put out no music. But whenever artists are put out music same way and them still in the sport or them names still are called relevant wise in the music, you can't say he's not here anymore. He's not in the sport anymore. So Beenie Man I say, yo, me in the game same way. Me in the game same way. I mean, say me a king. I made it crown king from my time, and in this era, I'm still there. So, me I go say, in some cases, Beenie Man for just put it down and easy, but at the same time, I love it, that I dance and we love it. We love the war, and we love the beef. We love the controversy, bro. We love the controversy, and we love the clash. It's what it's made for. It's in the culture. Don't dead it. Don't kill it. Let it rain. Let it rain. And this, if this goes down in the history, this clash goes down in the history, a lot of people are going to eat, a lot of vloggers are going to have content to post, and it's going to be nice. It is going to be nice, bro. Let me run back the song, dog. Let me run back the Vybz Kartel and the Beenie Man song, dog.
What the sun down the nose? What we are gonna do with bad mind? What we do with some title gas, you know, bro. Because the business, we don't snap, bro. Them ain't nobody else got a short going on, dog. We need for bank account, them might do it for the cloud. She sit the dust back, show and do it for she mouth. Stop what?
Yo, let me know in the comment section, what's the ratio y'all give this clash if it goes down? What's the ratio y'all would give this clash if it goes down? Who do you give, which artist do you give the upper head over the other? If it's Beenie Man or if it's Bounty Killer. Beenie Man still have him fans them out there now. Him still have him grown fans them like him in that age group. And him still have supporters. But you know Vybz Kartel has majority of Jamaica supporting him. So he is going to have the upper hand over Beenie Man. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Who only give the upper hand over who? If a Beenie Man, if a Cartel, bro, let me know. Cause this, if this goes down, if this clash happen, bro. If this clash happens, bro, in the studio, I know for sure this is going to be at a stage show. Tell me where it's going to be. It's either Sting or Sumfest. Will Sting be reincarnated this year? Remember, Sting didn't keep last year. So let me know if y'all think if this clash ever goes down, if Sting would be reincarnated. Because I know Len would love this. And I know for a fact Mr. Bogdanovich would love this. Mr. Joe Bogdanovich, he will love this also. I'm telling you, bro. This is more money to the genre, more highlight. Having Vybz Kartel, who is known worldwide, and Beenie Man also, who is known worldwide. All artists have support worldwide, internationally, locally. So, if this crash goes down, bro, trust me, crazy.
Tactical boy, real fisherman. Who wants to be rich, ever free-rich, you know. You want to take my crown, you have a way with you, so. Pick up the eagle and made it, pitch it, so. Tell them the boy, if you were lucky, and don't stay.
Yo, y'all know what's going to happen if this clash goes down? Do y'all really know what's going to happen if this clash goes down? I guess y'all don't know, right? I'm guessing y'all really don't know. Bro, if this clash goes down, bro, dancehall turn upside down, brother. Dancehall turn upside down, brother. I'm telling you, dog. Yo, dog. Yo, bro. If this clash goes down, nah, it's over. It's over for a lot of artists, bro. Unlike artists like Alkaline and Massacre and some of the other artists them who have them fan base and who have them supporters, but if this clash goes down, remember say two legends, you know, two icons this night building, bro. Two legends and two icons. So if them go clash, bro.
Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Slide past them Porsche, me Maserati. I'm working full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep it sugar healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Slide past them Porsche, me Maserati. I'm working full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep it sugar healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty. You don't say. I'm not. Yo, we're going to have to be standing on the sideline and watch this clash take place. Nobody can call it quits. Them are two big men of them own. Who's going to be the one who comes out and say, yo, stop this crap. Do not clash. Who's going to be the one? It's not going to be Sean Paul again this time. Remember last year when Sean Paul see Jada Kingdom and Steplan a clash? Him say, yo, it don't look good for the genre or whatever, but who's going to stop these two artists to stop? Who is going to be the one? I don't know, and I don't think anyone is going to stop them. Let's continue, bro. Let's continue, bro.
Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Slide past them Porsche, me Maserati. I'm working full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep it sugar healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, bro. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, bro. Let me know if y'all think that this clash is going to go the long road, the long journey. If it's going to have a quits, I'm feeling like this clash is going to go the long journey, and down the road they may call a unity or a peace treaty, in some sense. Or them just say, yo, we nice up dancehall, we nice up the genre. I could just done it yesterday, but let me know if y'all think what I'm thinking, because I feel like this is going to go the long road and the long journey. So, it's Vibes and Insights with Nando, Again, I represent, you know me, they are putting the work effortlessly. A mad thing. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm out. Peace, love, and respect to everybody. Mad.